Okay. Let's make quick of it. Got a messed up prop. Tilt these right up. I loosened them a little bit ago, but it's basically what you do. Oh, the 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench. That little round ball in there won't work on there. So you need flats. One. Okay, new blade. And it's a A. Let me check here. There's an A there. And new screw. Push it down. And twist so it catches so you don't strip it, because those are very fine threads. Don't forget, put your Allen wrench back. Make sure that was just snug. Don't over tighten it. And your little, whatchamacallit, goes in there just like that. Now, put this away. Let's try this again. Recording stopped. Okay. New tube of super glue. Kids mess it up, so I got a new one out. Let's put a little dot of super glue down here. Wish I had fingers like I was in the 20s. After 2 broken wrists, I just ain't so good putting things together. Let's see if I can get there in here. Come on. (1001), 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. And hopefully it's not stuck to the box. Okay, stuck to the box. See if I can persuade it out. Gently, just gently, just gently. Come on. Came loose there. Just gently. Come on. Gently. He's loose. Yeah. A little bit box on it. Set this down here just in case we need it again. Okay. Put that super glue right here. Get this pretty close together. Put that super glue over here and shove that together. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012. There was 2 seconds in there. I see it wasn't held. Now I'm going to put 1 dot of super glue over here. real close. Come on. Get together. Uh-oh. Got my thumb stuck over here. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. And fingers stuck together. Now, that looks good. There's a good dot up there. There's good up in there. Okay. We're going to leave this set for a good hour. And figure out where I'm going to set it. I don't want to set it down there because I get stuck to there. Ooh. There. We'll just set it like that. Okay. Now I use this foam pad to keep from hurting my eyeballs on the drone. Okay. Let me set this super glue up here. Make sure the tip's wiped off. The kids don't do that. They let it funky, and then all of a sudden you can't get no super glue out of it. I'll just sit right there. That way next time I